Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is around. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel, hope you all doing well. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 has a surprise, but it will be limited to selected markets. And yes, the official cases for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Z Flip 4 are also out, and you can expect same design on both devices. Samsung is going to release Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 in August along with Z Flip 4, Galaxy Watch 5 with 3 models and Galaxy Buds. And some rumors are pointing towards August 10 to be the unpack event, and will start pre-orders on 16th of August and we're going to hit the market on August 26th. These are just dates and no one is ready to confirm. If you want to know more about Z Fold 4, then big leaks are coming in the following days. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below what are your thoughts on Z Fold 4 design, and do you want to see the S Pen built in the Z Fold 4? Samsung will going to surprise you with the latest new color in Z Fold 4, the dark red color. But that color is going to be limited. This news is confirmed by Ross Young, display supply chain consultant. Chances are they will only be available in the Samsung online store and will get sold quickly. So if you want to get our hands on the dark red color of Z Fold 4, then you have to wait for the dark red color option and get it as soon as possible. And John Prosser once said, we may see a green version of Z Fold 4, so let's see which color is going to be there and which not. Meanwhile, the cases for the Z Fold 4 and Z Flip 4 are also out, where the retailer listed online and start pre-orders. The same leather cover case design with the same S Pen option at the side, just like Z Fold 3, and we see the same Z Flip 4 ring covers with the multiple colors. Samsung is also providing the screen protector for the Z Fold 4. Now these cases can cost you around $50 to $150. Anthony shared on his Twitter account said, mass-produced prototypes of Z Fold 4 doesn't have an S Pen built in, meaning we are not getting built-in S Pen, and real-life leaks will be very few thanks to stronger protocols. But what's sad to hear that Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 will cost the same just like Z Fold 3. Previous rumors and leaks are pointing towards a cheaper phone than the Z Fold 3, but it seems like it is not going to happen this year. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below what are your thoughts on Z Fold 4 design, and do you want to see an S Pen built in the Z Fold 4? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.